Let's launch your Word documents into a world of science, all using shortcut keys. Start your exploration with the microscope. Type 1F52C and press Alt+X. Scan the stars with a telescope by typing 1F52D and pressing Alt+X. Get atomic by adding the atom symbol with 269B and Alt+X. Mix up experiments by typing 1F9EA and pressing Alt+X for the test tube. Unlock the secrets of life with the DNA double helix. Type 1 F9EC and press Alt+X. Fly into space by adding a satellite. Just type 1 F6F0 and press Alt+X. Rocket your ideas forward by inserting a rocket. Type 1 F680 and press Alt+X. Need some energy? Insert a battery with 1 F50B and Alt+X. For some magnetic force, type 1F9F2 and press Alt+X to add a magnet. And to keep everything working, insert the gear by typing 2699 and pressing Alt+X. With these simple shortcuts, your Word document can look like a full science lay. Please like this video, subscribe to Tech Flyer and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.